Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Again, apologize for the noisy vent, but this is the 2002 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This one is a LS. It has the extended cab, long bed. This one has a little over 210,000 miles on it, but it's still running and driving. So I'm definitely interested in taking a look at it. Your old Chevy keys with the aftermarket remote start and keyless entry. Again, old bedside that just got a little bit of rust showing, but not bad at all. In terms of the driver carpet, it's in a non-existent condition. In terms of the seats, they're actually in really good shape. Headline, never mind. Door speaker guard in great shape. Hold on, let me get my, there we go. Wouldn't be complete without a Little Trees air freshener. What a good little truck. And then you even have an aftermarket sun. Your 4x control, cargo lamps. I love that little message center that they have in this thing. This, oh. Ooh, oh, I have power. Hold the phone. I'm gonna get you to work. All right, I give up. And when I give up, it works. No. No. Banned. All right, so that's hanging on by a thread. Where are our headlights? Right here. Go shut this door. These windows are auto down. Not, come on, there you go. Let's see here. Yeah, I know this is technically a little unprofessional, but it's what I gotta do since we're closed, so. Boop. ABS, airbags, we don't need either of them. Seatbelt, got where it was. Portable sun, activated. Just kidding. All right. Even have tow haul mode. Let's see if these work. Haha, they work. 211, 918. ABS light went away. Oh, now it's back. Bye, radio. A little 6-liter. Stay. Oh, you're a big truck. And this is back when automatics were just gigantic slush boxes. So you have like 3,000 RPM of converter before you actually get it to start going. Just cruising. I don't know what that noise is, and I'm not sure I want to. And 60 miles an hour has never felt so fast. Pulls hard right under braking, baby. But this is from the era of GM where they put like no effort into the interiors, but that's what's made them so iconic. I mean, look at this. It just looks plain. But again, that's what's made it kind of iconic. It's kind of just so basic. Same thing with the turn signal sound. So mechanical. How does this gigantic light look on the road? Oh, that's bright. If anybody ever has high beams in your face, you just go boop. Oh, I'm a child. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.